There's something dark, almost hidden, about self improvement. Something no one talks about on those aesthetic YouTube channels, the perfect morning routine, reels, or the shiny productivity podcast. You see, when most people think about self improvement, they imagine waking up at 5 a.m., sipping green tea or coffee, reading 10 pages of self help book, meditating, journaling, and somehow magically becoming a better human. But here's the dark truth no one tells you self improvement is lonely. Let me take you back to when I first started. I was 17, confused, frustrated with life, scrolling through videos that promised to change my life in 30 days. I believed them. I copied everything: cold shower, journaling, dopamine detox. But what they didn't show was what happens when you are sitting alone in your room, cutting off toxic friends, feeling like a stranger in your own skin. You are not just changing habits, you are shedding identities, and that hurts. See, the moment you decide to grow, you unconsciously sign up for pain. Growth means destruction. It means breaking the comfort shell you have lived in your whole life. And just like a seed must crack open to become a tree, you must break to become something more. But here's what they don't show you in those montages: the guilt, the fear, the feeling that maybe you are faking it, that maybe you are just copying what others do, not truly changing. That's because real self improvement is internal. It doesn't care about your productivity apps or how perfectly you color code your Notion dashboard. Now, let me tell you the truth. Self improvement starts the moment you are willing to face your demons, the real ones, the childhood trauma, the insecurities, the that eat you alive at 2 a.m. The voices in your head that whispers you will never be enough. No habit tracker fixes that. Let me tell you a story. There was a time when I used to envy people. I would see someone successful and immediately think they are just built different. I can never be like that, but one day while watching an interview of a billionaire, he said something that slapped me in the face. The only difference between me and you is that I have failed more times. The line rewired me because suddenly I realized self improvement isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. It's not about looking productive, it's about staying disciplined when no one's clapping for you. It's ugly, it's messy, it's nights of crying after cutting off your best friend because they kept pulling you down. It's deleting every distraction on your phone even though you are dying to check Instagram. It's saying no to parties, yes to workouts, and showing up for yourself even when it sucks. And let's talk about the cost. You will lose people, you will be misunderstood, you will be called too serious, too obsessed, too different. But what they don't see is that you're building a future no one else can see it. They laugh now because they don't see the empire you're building in silence. Here's the painful truth. I learned the hard way. Most people don't want to improve, not really, because your growth reminds them of their stagnation. When you start to level up, you become a mirror showing them everything they are not doing. So they will mock you, they will distance themselves, they will try to pull you back into your old self, the one that played small, stayed quiet, and never believed in dreams. But here's your test: do you shrink back or do you keep going? Growth isn't just about what you do, it's about what you are willing to leave behind. And not everyone has the courage to let go of who they were. The real self improvement journey isn't 30 days, it's not a phase, it's a decision, a lifelong one. And that means walking into the unknown again and again without applause, without certainty, and sometimes without support. But here's the twist: the loneliness turns into power, the doubts become drive, and the pain that becomes your edge. Because while everyone else is chasing quick fixes, you are becoming unrecognizable, not just to others, but to yourself. The old you can barely keep up. So, if you're watching this thinking, is it worth it? I want to tell you something no one told me. You don't become great by following a routine. You become great by refusing to stay the same. The moment you say, I am done living like this, is the moment everything begins. But you have to stay in the dark long enough to see the light. So, self improvement doesn't give you freedom until it first breaks you. And that's what makes it real. So, now that you know the dark truth of self improvement, you will also need to unlock the secrets to get ahead of people in 2025. Click this video to watch.